Hi everyone, how are you today? I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix and solve these on Reddit applications. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have now to go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Reddit. When you found Reddit, just open it like this, then go directly to storage option, then go to clear data and click OK, and also clear cache, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and update your Reddit, and after this you have to restart your phone, and that's it, your problem will fixed correctly. So that's it. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.